Window replacement Kingston TN is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Our team of Kingston window experts specializes in providing top-notch window installation services, ensuring that each window is perfectly fitted to your home. Whether you're interested in energy-efficient windows or custom window solutions, we have the expertise to meet your needs. Energy-efficient replacement Kingston TN are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Our selection of insulated windows Kingston TN offers superior thermal performance, helping to keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. With our energy-efficient windows, you can enjoy lower utility bills and a more sustainable home environment. Vinyl window replacement Kingston TN is an excellent option for homeowners seeking durability and low maintenance. Our vinyl windows Kingston Tennessee are designed to withstand the elements while providing a sleek, modern look. With a variety of styles and colors available, you can find the perfect vinyl window replacement to complement your home's design. Double-hung windows Kingston are a versatile and classic choice for any home. These windows offer easy operation and excellent ventilation, making them ideal for any room. Our double-hung windows Kingston are available in various materials and finishes, ensuring a perfect match for your home's style. Window replacement Kingston TN services are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Our Kingston window replacement experts are skilled in addressing a wide range of issues, from window leak replacement to window frame repair. With our professional window services Kingston, you can extend the life of your windows and avoid costly replacements. Custom window solutions in Kingston TN allow homeowners to create unique and personalized window designs. Our custom windows Kingston TN are tailored to your specific preferences, ensuring a perfect fit and style for your home. Whether you're looking for bay window installation, Kingston TN, or sliding windows Kingston Tennessee, we have the expertise to bring your vision to life. Residential window replacement Kingston TN is a smart investment for homeowners looking to improve their property's value and curb appeal. Our residential window services Kingston offer a wide range of options, from window glass replacement Kingston to window sash replacement Kingston Tennessee. With our affordable window services Kingston, you can upgrade your home without breaking the bank.